What's up everybody, this is Mike and I'm back again with another unboxing video for you today. If you haven't watched my previous video, go ahead and watch that as well because I have just unboxed the Rise Tello mini drone, which you can see right next to me. And one of you guys would be the winner of the giveaway that I'm setting up with the Rise Tello. So in a couple of weeks I will be giving this drone away, so make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss the announcement video and how you can actually enter in the giveaway. So that's coming very soon, but today we're going to unbox this little package that I received from Freewell gear. Freewell basically make a lot of accessories for your drones, so whether you have a Mavic Pro, Mavic Air or even the Spark, you can get some accessories for your drone. And I got this little package very quickly, and I want to say thank you to Harry from Freewell for sending that over to me. And I really cannot wait any longer, so I just want to unbox it and see what we have inside. I think I've waited long enough. For some reason this package was stuck in customs, and it seems like customs don't really like the packages for me, so they keep getting stuck and I don't like that. But anyway, it is what it is. Now I have it in my hands, so I'm ready to unbox it and show you what we have inside. So first of all we have this t-shirt. This is a Freewell t-shirt. I really like this this drone logo, this huge drone logo on the front of that t-shirt, so that's cool. I will definitely be rocking that shirt very soon. And here we have the final thing from this package. Here we have what I'm the most excited about. This is the all-day filter 8-pack ND filters for the DJI Mavic Air. Now those are definitely some kick-ass filters that I cannot wait to test in a real life scenario. First of all, we have the filters, which I'll get to in a second, and then we have a small packaging with a cleaning cloth, I suppose. If you can see here, I have the ND filters from Polar Pro that I received just a couple of weeks ago for the Mavic Air, and I'm really interested to see how well those 8-pack filters are going to stack up against those Polar Pro filters. If you don't know, Polar Pro are basically the kings of the ND filters, but now Freewell have actually made something that promises to be really cool, and I have heard nothing but positive reviews about those filters so far, so I cannot wait to give them a try and see how well they perform. We have 8 different filters, so let me go through each and every one of them. So we have ND4, ND8, ND16, we have a CP filter, which basically reduces glare if the sun is too strong out there. We have ND8 polarized, ND16 polarized, ND32 polarized, and ND64 polarized. Now, the filters that I got from Polar Pro are only ND4, ND8, and ND16, and they're polarized versions. So if the sun is too strong out there, you definitely need something higher than ND16. Maybe ND32, but ND64 would be ideal for really bright and sunny conditions out there, and especially if you're trying to make a long exposure photos during the day, or capture something really nicely with the most amount of motion blur for more cinematic look, then you definitely need something higher than ND16. And that's the main idea, that's the main reason why I'm so excited for those filters, as I really cannot wait to test out the ND32 and the ND64, because they will give me what I was missing with the Polar Pro filters. Of course, Polar Pro also make ND64 and ND32 filters, but I just don't have them right now, so I'm excited for those as they are already in my hands and I cannot wait to give them a go. Now this package retails for $129.99, so $130 for an 8-pack of filters, and that's quite a lot of money. But if you are serious about getting the most out of your drone camera, then you should definitely invest into ND filters for sure, because they will make your footage or your photos look much better. So I can definitely recommend you to get some ND filters, and I will link them below if you want to check them out. They arrived quite quickly, so if it wasn't the customs problem that I had, they could have been here for maybe 3 or 4 days only. So that's pretty cool, and like I said maybe 100 times already, I cannot wait for a better weather outside so I can get outside and give them a go. But that should be coming soon in a different video. I will keep you guys updated on how the filters are performing once I get the chance to give them a try. But with that being said, thank you so much to Freewell for sending over this t-shirt and the filters, and to you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, like the video to show some support, and I'll catch you very soon in my next one.